Good morning students. Welcome to computer class of 9th standard. Today we will discuss chapter 7 Input in Java. As in the last video we have discussed about input using initialization, input using parameters, introduction to packages, types of packages and how to create a package. Today we will discuss advantages of packages, how to import package, using packages and common packages in Java, and this we will discuss through page number 130, 131 and 132. Start with the advantages of using packages. Packages group related classes so that they can be managed effectively. Means same type of classes we can group in a package. Like the classes, they have to find the area of circle, area of perimeter, area of rectangle. So the classes that they have to find area, we can group in a package like area. Similarly, the classes that have to find the volume of something like volume of cylinder, volume of sphere, so that we contained in other package. Second point, the classes contained in other packages can be easily reused. Means from the other classes, from the other packages, we can also use the classes. We can declare multiple classes with same name in different packages. Means packages can be different but class name will be same. Encapsulation can be implemented by using packages. Means we can easily hide the data from the unauthorized user with the help of using packages. Next we will discuss importing packages. The import statement allows a program to refer to the classes defined in other packages. So the import statement is used to call the packages and the classes within a package in the main program. See, the syntax to import the packages is import. Firstly we will write import keyword, package 1, that is main package, dot package 2, dot package 3, dot class name, semicolon. So dot operator is used to call a package within a package and dot class name is used to call a class within a package, and at the end we will put the semicolon. See the package 1, this is the main package. Inside we are having a package 2, that we can say a sub package, and inside is a class name. So this way a package contained within another package, and similarly a package contained within a class contained within a package. Now we will discuss how to use import statement. All import statement must be declared at the beginning of a program before the class definition. Like we will write public class display, before that we will write the import statement. Instead of the class name, you can also use an asterisk known as wildcard character, which indicates that the Java compiler should import the entire package. Means instead of writing the class name like dot class name, we can put the asterisk sign so that the compiler will include the entire package in the program. Means all classes will come in the program. For example, import Java. Java is a main package. Dot util, this is a sub package, and dot, instead of writing the class name we have written dot asterisk. So it will include the entire util package in the program, and semicolon. Now we will discuss common packages in Java. Number 1 is java.lang. Provide classes that are fundamental to the design of programming language, that are basic parts of the programming language such as primitive data types, string and math functions. Number 2 is java.util. Provide classes for printing and scanning, etc. For various printing statements, it is for that we will use the java.util package. Number 3, java.io. IO means input output. Provide classes for input and output of data. So if you want to input and output some data in the program, we will use java.io package. Next is java.awt. AWT means Abstract Window Toolkit. Provide classes to implement the graphical user interface. Next is java.net. Provide classes for networking. Java.applet means any applications you want to create for internet programming. So provide classes for implementing the applets. So these are some common packages in Java that you can include in your program. Next we will discuss some more points about import statement. All the standard Java classes are stored in a package called Java. So Java is our main package. A package that is contained in other package is called a sub-package. Means a package within a package is called a sub-package. One of the commonly used sub-packages in Java is util package. Since util is contained within Java, so it is written as java.util. Means Java is a main package and util is a sub-package. Now we will create one program in our BlueJ window that includes Java package and util package and one inbuilt class date from the util package. So let's move to the BlueJ window. So we will open the BlueJ window by clicking on Start button and BlueJ. The BlueJ window will appear before us. See, the project is already open, BlueJ ABC. Here we will click on New Class button to create the new class. A new class dialog box will appear. Like here in this program, we have to display the current date and time of the computer or system. So we will write the class name like date demo2. You can write any class name according to your program. Click on OK button. The class icon is created. We will double click on this class icon to open it. Press Ctrl+A to select the code and press the delete key to delete the code. So here firstly we will write the import statement. So we will write import java.util.date semicolon. Now see, import is an import keyword that is used to include the package. Now Java is the main package in the compiler that is already saved. Util is the sub package within Java package and it is called using the dot operator, and after that we will write .date. So date is the inbuilt class in the util package that is also called using the dot operator, and at the end we will put the semicolon. So our statement is import java.util.date semicolon. Now we will write our program like public class name that is date demo2, enter, curly bracket start. Then we will write our main method line public static void main round bracket start round bracket close, enter, curly bracket start. So here we will write our class name that we are including in our program, that is date. Then my date means we are creating the object of the class, that is my date. This is our class that we are going to include in our program. So we will write this class name over here also, that is date, and my date we have created the object of the class equal to new. New operator is used to allocate memory to this new object. Then we will again write the class name, that is date, round bracket start, round bracket close, semicolon. So as we have to print the date and time, so we will write system.out.println, round bracket start, double quote start. Firstly we will write the message, that is current date and time is double quotes close, as this is a message, so we have written in double quotes. Plus is the concatenation operator that is used to join the message and result on the screen, and then we will write the object name, semicolon. One is main method curly bracket you will close, and one is the class bracket. So click on the compile button, click on close button, right click on the class icon, click on the void main. See, our output is current date and time is SUN means Sunday, August 9. Time is 8 hours 7 minutes and 31 seconds. IST means these are some system settings, and here is 2020. So this way you can display current date and time in your program by including, that is date class, from the util package. Clear students? So students, today we have discussed advantages of packages, common packages in Java, how to import package and using packages, and we have discussed one define, that is a sub package. A package that is contained in another package is called sub package. So students, revise the topic carefully, follow the examples and the points that we have discussed today, do the practical practice of the program, and in the next video we will come with the next topic. Thank you very much.